In this video we're going to talk about squeeze pages. The great thing about this step is that if you're using either lead pages or optimized press, it's all very easy to make a high converting squeeze page. All you have to do is select one of their templates and use the recommended bullets or information. Remember, the only purpose of your squeeze page is to get your visitors to sign up on your email list. It's not to tell them everything about your pet cat. You aren't going to explain all of the awesome content they have coming their way down the road. And your squeeze page will never get optimized for the search engines. Its only job is to convert visitors into subscribers. The first step to that is having a strong headline that grabs the visitor's attention and makes them keep reading. A good headline is bold, clear, and is completely based on the current problem that you're trying to help the visitor solve. Most of the best headlines fall into one of the following categories. They offer a solution to a problem, they make a bold promise or claim, they cause controversy, for example, like saying you have to eat fat to burn fat, and they pique curiosity. In the headline, you need to tell them exactly what they're going to get. Now, here are a few examples. Free report reveals whatever it's going to reveal. The 5 superfoods that let you lose weight fast. Free video reveals, and then you could make the claim. 3 easy ways to date more women. Whatever your free offer is about, you need to mention it in the headline, and you need to let them know that you've got a solution to whatever problem is that they're dealing with. After the headline, then it's up to you what to add. It partially depends on the layout of the page and what message you're trying to convey. It also depends on what sort of niche you're in. The only thing that you absolutely need, besides a headline, is a call to action. This is what tells your visitor exactly what to do to get the free information, the free software, or whatever other free gift you're offering them. Now, the important thing here is to be crystal clear regarding what you want them to do. Even though they can probably figure out where to enter their email address, make sure they know to put in their best email address and explain why they're putting it in the form. For example, enter your email for your free Dark Secrets report is better than enter your email here. Remember that this one gift you're providing can't help the visitor with all of their problems. Instead, it's just meant to help them with one specific problem. Later on, you'll be able to help them in other ways with other products or services. Don't focus on the big picture, just that one narrow thing that you're going to help them with. Tell them what they'll learn or what they'll get, and tell them how to get it. And that's all you're really doing with your squeeze page. Now that you're ready to start collecting email addresses, it's time to move into driving traffic to your website. After all, you can't build a business without clients, can you? And we'll cover that in the next installment.